Hi there friends, I have a partnership with the ZDigitizing and we are going to try one of the patterns. So first you gotta pick up your the format that you need. For mine is going to be PES. We're gonna double click and we're gonna open it in Embrilliance. Right now I'm looking for my hoop and I want it 5 by 7. So that is going to be the 130 by 180. We're gonna click apply. I want to move it a little bit up because I'm going to add some letters on the bottom, but for this video we are just going to be changing the colors. So we are going to click on this needle that is going to show us how the stitch will run. So we want to go all the black one because that's going to be only the V, and we're going to continue. I'm going to stop right when the color ends. So as you can see, I'm going to ensure that's where I want the color to end. And I'm going to click stop and I'm going to select any color because I'm going to arrange the colors later. And we're gonna hit OK. And as you can see, now the change color. So we are going to repeat for each color that we want to change. We are going to continue. We want to stop again and we are going to change the color. And for now it doesn't matter the colors because we just want to separate the colors. So we are going to continue and we are going to stop again right where we want the color thread to change. It's really simple. So we are going to stop and we are going to select any color. We click stop and we're going to continue repeating this until we get all the colors that we want. What we are going to do next, we are going to remove the jump stitch. I'm gonna just stop. We're gonna select any color and we are going to continue. It's basically the same thing. we are going to come down here. You're gonna select the little jump stitch and we're gonna click delete. The last thing we're going to do is we are going to merge all the colors so we can stitch easier. So we're gonna go to utility and then color sort. I'm going to select tolerance 3 and I'm going to click save it. I'm going to select PES because that's for my brother machine. You can select any file that you need and we are going to click the place that I want it on my desktop and I'm going to click save. I'm going to click save now and I'm going to save it as a stitch and working stitch. I'm going to change the name because I don't want it to overwrite on the previous one, just to be safe. I like to have extra files, and for the next video we are going to be making the design. So until next time, thank you.